Anytime. So this is the engine block. It basically holds all the components inside of it. And then this right here is your camshaft. And when it spins all the other gears, but it also lifts up the valves, which are right here. And one of the valves is the intake, and one of them is the exhaust. Then this is your crankshaft right here. And when it spins, it allows the piston to go up and down right here.
Well, it's inside the cylinder.
Yeah.
Okay. So, if you come over here, you can see this is where the cylinder and the piston is inside of this casing here. And this is where the carburetor would be connected to. What the carburetor does is it pulls the air and the fuel in, and it introduces it into the cylinder. So when the piston is all the way down in the cylinder, air and fuel go in, then the piston comes back to the top and compresses the air and fuel and ignites it with the spark plug. So it's the intake stroke, the compression stroke, then the combustion, and then it forces it back down, it forces it back down and then comes back up with the exhaust valve open, allowing the exhaust to exit, and then this process repeats itself. For the piston, this is the connecting rod, this part of it. This is the actual piston. These three things are the rings. So these first two slots are the compression rings, and this bottom one is the oil ring that basically scrapes the oil and keeps it one from not being in where the combustion happens, and two, it lubricates the pins that hold the connecting rod to the piston. Once that happens, the exhaust comes out here and goes through this piece, which would be attached somewhere, yeah, right here. And this is the muffler and the exhaust, so the exhaust comes through here.